the eagle. They call me the forest whisperer, not because I talk to animals, but because I listen. For years, I've walked these ancient woods, not as an intruder. The lion you see beside me, and I know them. There's a peace here, a raw, untamed beauty that humbles me every single day. My clothes, inspired by the very skin of the forest, these creatures are a constant reminder of my connection to this wild world.
It's a life lived in harmony. If you like William, then East Coast.
He's the wise elder, carrying the memory of this forest in every weathered wrinkle of his hide. If you ever find yourself lost in the echo, this incredible, wild tapestry, and sometimes all it takes is a moment to truly listen.
Remember this place. Remember the whisper of the wind leaves. Remember